Hello everybody. So in this video, I'm going to continue actually the last video in which we had learned what is safe area, trim, bleed area. If any of you really missed out watching my video, so you can go and check the description box where you can find the link. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to use this template we had created in the last video, and using this template, I'm going to create business cards so that you can learn uh, how to create, how to utilize this actually template. So let's get started. So I know this is a bleed area, okay, and this is going to be our trim area and the safe area. So this is our safe area. So logo and text and other content, okay, whatever it is, going to be confined in this area. So let's do it. First of all, what I'm going to do is let me check my logo. So this is the logo I'm going to utilize. So this is the logo I have created actually for my client. So you can check out to learn this logo, how I created this logo. So there's a video. You can go and check the description box, or maybe you can go up to my channel. There you can see the video of this one where you will find me creating first sketch, then I will be creating this logo and presentation as well. You can go through this video as well. So I'm going to utilize this logo. So this is what I had created. This is the final presentation. So this is what it's going to be look like. So first, what I want is I'm just going to create a background. So first, I'm going to create the background over here. Okay. X. So paste in front. I'm going to take it aside. First of all, what we have to do is select all the three lines. Okay. I'm going to press Ctrl X and create one more layer. Okay, let's put it down and paste in front, and let's lock this. Okay, so in the upper layer, we are going to have a vector data. Okay, so let's have this one. So we'll come over here. I just want it to be in the white color, same as this one. So color already defined. You can see. So let's okay. So I'm going to create rectangle, vertical rectangle. So I'm going to give it this color. So I would like to have this color over here, and I'm going to utilize this logo. Okay, so copy and paste. Ctrl G for group and break. Ctrl X, paste in front. Okay, so make sure it is in the center. So come up to the property. Here we can make it to the center. If you want it to be more large, so you can make it large. Okay. So this is the logo, and now we need to have more stuff over here. So let's come up to here. So these are the symbols I'm going to utilize. If you missed out watching my video in the last video, last video, I think I had created these symbols. So there's a video in which I will be teaching how to create a symbol. You can go and watch this video. So if you really want to learn more from my video, so you can come directly to my Logoland channel. Here so many video might be waiting right now. Okay, these are video I have created on different concept. You can go and learn grid, how to design initial logo with the help of grid concept. You can also learn basic. You can also learn how to create symbol and icon. These are the same symbol and icon I've been using right now in business card and logo letterhead creation. So you can learn how to create these. Even if you really want to learn golden ratio, there's so many videos covering the golden ratio from theoretical to the practical. You can go for this. Even if you want to learn how to create logo from doing sketching on the paper and to the designing logo in Illustrator, you can go and learn from these videos. Okay, there are so many videos covering the same thing. So there's a lot of video might be waiting for you right now, and I request actually go and check this video. Okay. So uh, I'm not going to create the symbol back. Okay, you can go and watch my video. It will be time consuming right now. So first, as a design, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some stripe over here, and let's copy this one and copy. Control X, paste, select this one, paste in back. We can paste in back. Okay, if I'm pasting in the front, then you can assume I'm going to use this one, paste in front, Control F. So let's take this down. If you really want to have some gaps, so I think it will be great to have the gap. So what I'm gonna do is I don't want these three stripes have the same color, so I'm going to differentiate this a bit. Actually, it is having gradient color actually. So I think select this one. Here. Let's take this color. Something like this, I think. I'm going to make this one lighter, like so. So this is what I actually want. So I need to add phone numbers. So I'm going to take this symbol. So let's ungroup. Let's ungroup. Okay. Okay, actually. Okay, it has been ungrouped right now. I'm going to like this circle as well. Ungroup from here, and I need just circle. So I want this to be in the circle actually. I want it to be confined into circle. So let's make it the center of the circle. Take it down a bit. Keep it aside. And so let's make this circle to have white color in it. Fill white like so. Make it small and put it here. There's different way to utilize the symbol. So I just want this to be like so. Maybe I'm going to have this color in it. It will be great. So let's copy this one. Copy this one. Make it to the center, vertical center. Okay. The second symbol is going to be Gmail. Let's place it here. Control X and paste in front. Okay. So this has been too much larger in sizes actually. That's great. So the next going to be location symbol. Control X, paste in front, Control F. Okay, maybe you can come to here, use paste in front. So let's make it to the center of this circle. Okay, so I will need one more. This is contact person. So I'm going to make this smaller, keep it here, Control X, paste in front, make it small in size. You can have it little larger. Okay. So I'm going to type first. We can have a name. Anthony. Can have Anthony. Maybe let's have a different name. Johnson Smith. Okay, let's have this one. So let's talk about the font. I would like to have actually. Let's go for Poppins. P-O-P. Poppins. This font, and for the Smith, I want it to be little thin actually. It's- Okay, actually it doesn't have that sense. I'm going to change it. Let's change it to the bottom. So bottom here. Okay. That's okay now. It's looking nice. It will work. I think the size of this one. I think we need to exceed its value actually. Enlarge this one. So let's type the phone number. One, it could be anything. Okay. So in place of this font, I just want it to be Calibri. So this Calibri regular will be appropriate for me. According to me, it's gonna be appropriate. So I'm going to have white color, and here we can have 8 point. So you have to keep one thing in mind whenever you're going to use font for your detail, especially this kind of detail. Okay, like phone number, mail ID, address, and maybe for web address. So you have to set point 8, 9, maximum 9. I think minimum 7. Don't take it down more. Don't take lower it. Don't take it lower than 7 value. 7 point. Okay. Otherwise, it's gonna be very small font. So I think this is appropriate. According to me, this is appropriate. It is a standard defined actually. Going to copy it. Email ID I have already mentioned over here. Let's check out. This is the email at Gmail ID. Let's copy this one. Okay. So paste. So I need this same font and the same font size in this. So what I have to do is select this one. Take this eyedropper tool and click on this one. Actually, caps lock is on. That's why it is looking like a target. Like I'm going now. You can click. Okay. So place it here. Took it down. Just delete this one. Select. Make it vertical center and align this to this one. Okay, let's come back to here and let's copy location, paste this one and press I key on the keyboard to access the hyperlink key and click on that, change, make it center and like so. Make sure these are group actually so that they don't move from their place. So I'm going to select these, this one, so okay, we have to make sure the title case is whenever you're going to type any text here, so then make sure it is in the title case. Like from the main word, you can see M is capital, rest are small. If you go and check the street, this one S is capital and rest are small. Okay, the same is going on the rest of the words. So it has been shifted. Let's make it in the center. Okay, if you really want to have designation, so we can add designation here. So let's add this color actually. Let's match the color with this one. Take this up. Yeah, it I think right here. If we want to increase its lighting space, so we can increase it. Okay. Now it's time to create the other side of this business card. So I'm going to copy this one as it is here. Okay. So if we so this side, what I'm going to do is actually let's get rid of this. We don't need, and actually literally we don't need these detail as well. Let's get rid of these and extend it up here and make it to the center. Okay, and let's make this to the center as well. I think we should enlarge this. So right now you're seeing my design. Both are at the 100% zoom level. If you go and check 100%, that means you can check at the 100% zoom level. Then how your design going to be looked like after getting printed out. So you can check right now. So I just wanted to go up a bit. So here I have a QR code. I would like to have QR code here in the center. Bring it up. So the placement of the QR code never happened like this. So we have to place a border around it. It's gonna be white. So select this one and let's cut it from this position. Cut it and select this one. We want it to be pasted back of this QR code. Just paste it back. Make it the center of this and select both and Ctrl G for group. Okay, so small size. So here we can have. So if you are thinking on the back side, it's going to be so crowded, going to be too much content. So what we can do is take this one up and let's have this QR code here. it will look great, actually great here. Select both and horizontal, okay, center, take it down, and let's find out where the website web address actually. Web address is here. This is the web address. This one actually. Copy, remove this slash symbol, and I think delete these. Copy and pick the property from here, and we can add. Control X, paste in front. Control F, paste in front. So there's too much space, so we can enlarge this one. Make sure everything is in the center. This one should be in the center. Yeah, that's great. So though the website and email address always kept in the small letters, if you want to have the whole wording in capitalized, you can capital, depends on you. Come here and make them capital. I don't like to be the capital, so just I want to increase lettering size actually, spacing size actually, gapping. I increase the gapping between the letters. Let's enlarge this a bit more. So here we go. We are done with designing of business card. Okay. So let's come back here in the layer panel and unlock this one. And here I think these three lines. We have to make sure, are we actually following this rule or not? We have to make sure. So why? Okay. Let's take it away. To why? First of all, we have to make sure. Let's select these three lines. Do one thing, actually we should take this layer up so that we can see what's going on. Take this down. Okay, I think it was, we need to copy this trim line to left actually. Select this one and make it to the center. Okay, so as we discussed in the last class, so this is the safe area, and this is gonna be trim, and this is gonna be the bleed area. So first of come here, we have to make sure every content must reside in this safe area. We have to make sure everything going better. Okay, I think according to me everything going good. So the main content is QR code, logo, and then tag wording here, and these icons. Everything is residing right now in this safe area. So now I have made mistake. Mistake is I just extend this background up to this trim line. If suppose this has been, if it is cut or trimmed out from here, then you're gonna have in the lastly after final output we're going to have white color on the edges. So to avoid the situation, what we have to do is we have to extend this like so, just like so. So as our background is white color, so it will not be problematic. But when we have other color like these types, we have to extend it to here. So it gonna look like this. Okay. So let's do the same thing here. Okay, now select these three stripes as well and extend both to the edge of this. Okay, the final business card that we are going to have after printing, after trimmed out. So this is the area we are going to have. So one more thing, do we need to? We are done with business card. Do we need to present this as it to the client? No. We what we can do is we can create one more artboard. So I'm going to copy this one. I'm just going to copy this one and I'm going back to the touch this line, okay, this line. Why I'm doing so? Because in the mockup, or maybe to just make it presentable, I have to show it's real. Whenever it comes to give the final file, working file to the client, we have to give like this, okay, because this final file will be directed to the printing shop. So let's delete this one, and delete this one. Yeah, this is our final. So let's place it here, and the same I'm going to do here. I don't need this white. Let's make it here. So in the presentation purpose, you have to keep it real. In the presentation, we are going to show how it's gonna look like when it is going to print out. So now here we don't have these lines. These are the reference lines. That's not reference line actually. So group and place this here. Okay. I think it should be more smaller. So now let's make it attractive. So select. Actually, it is a group. Press Control click on the background. I'm going to apply the shadow. Come to here, come up to the effect, and here we have to go stylize, drop shadow. Okay, so let's make it lighter up to 330 points something, I think, and take it like so, and 0.5 actually to elaborate and make it more dark, and I think 8 it will look good. Okay, so now it is looking nice. Okay, select this one as well, and again apply the same property, same effect. Okay, so this is the final which we are going to present to the client, so the client will be convinced by seeing this business card. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you understood the whole procedure of creating business card and how to make sure about following the rule. Okay, so that the client cannot be confused and the printing person cannot be confused about while he may be printing out, maybe getting this printed out. So this is the final file. Okay, Illustrator final file or EPS file you have to provide in this manner, and this is the presentation manner. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next video where I will be teaching you letterhead design and envelope design. Okay, then there will also go and learn the same thing. Okay, same thing means safe area, trim and bleed area. So keeping this thing in mind, we'll start. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to watch it. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video very informative to you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel right now if you didn't subscribe. And do let me know what you have learned from today's video by commenting in the comment box. and also go through my all the video in the same series. I'm gonna see you in the next video of mine with new concept. Thank you. Be safe. Bye.